A second, more useful example of how to use Python from within Tableau is an example of sentiment analysis. And as you probably know, a sentiment analysis involves the process of computationally identifying and categorizing opinions expressed in a piece of text, especially in order to determine whether the writer's attitude towards a particular topic, product, etc. is positive, negative, or neutral. For this example, we'll use a number of reviews of hotels. And this is the file we're going to look at. You see there's a large number of fields in that file. The file is downloadable from the Canvas course. And you see that one of the fields is reviews.text, and that gives a fairly long, in some cases, a few paragraphs of review of the hotel. We'll also rely on the Vada lexicon, and the Vada lexicon associates with emojis, with words, and so on, a particular value. So if somebody uses, say, the word gr in their review, okay, then you see it has a value of minus 0.4 associated with it. If they use the text great, gr 8, then that's a value of 2.7. Okay, so what we're going to do is create a, let me go here, create a calculated field that we're going to call sentiment. And this is the text we're going to use. We want to return a real number, so the function we're going to use is script real. We're going to import the package nltk, and nltk is a package that is available to you to do the sentiment analysis. And then the text, essentially what this actually does, it goes through every word in the text, it associates some kind of value with it, and then it adds all of those together. What we pass into it is the text review, reviews.text, this particular field here. And the ATTR in front of it means that we're not aggregating it in any way. So what we're passing on is the actual text itself. So for arg1, we don't need to do the subscript 0, because what we're passing is a single string, not a list of strings. All right, so let's see how we can use this. So because this is an enormous database, I'm first going to put a filter on province so that we only look at hotels in Florida. Then what I'll do is I'll pull the name of the hotel into the visualization. Then we'll take the reviews text. So that's the text of the review. And then what we'll do is we'll pull the sentiment measures in this as well. Let's drag it at the top. All right. Now, what may happen is that the Python server is going to throw an error because you may not have loaded the Vada.lexicon. If that is the case, then the interpreter will tell you, the server will tell you what to do. You actually have to just download the lexicon. So now what we have is for each hotel and each review for that hotel, we have a particular value as well. And we can start looking at what hotels only have positive evaluations and which ones have positive and negative evaluations. So this is a more useful way of using the TabPy, because what we can do here is rely on a fairly complicated TabPy Python package to do a sentiment analysis for us.